Good morning. I am here to give you your reality-ish check. Thought I'd bring you on my walk this morning. Get out, get some bright sunshine, have a little light in your life in the morning. So, our reality check-ish today is going to be something that people always ask me about. It's how to make money from nothing, from zero. I'm going to make this short and quick because it's bright and early. I'm on a 5-mile walk. I want to get her done, get in, get out, and go home. And besides that, you all do not want to sit there and listen to me speak all morning and not get right down to the secret to the ooze. I'm going to give you facts. If I go a little bit too fast, hit the pause button and listen again. That way, you can pick up on everything, take some notes. I'm going to give you all one thing this morning. One thing that you can do for sure and at least start making a little extra income. Now, let's not frown on small beginnings because guess what? A little bit turns into a lot. Just keep at it. Just keep plugging away. Now, everybody that has a roof over their head, a floor underfoot, can make a little money each month. It's called through the mail. Now you might be saying to yourself, through the mail, what do I have to do? How much do I have to pay? Nada, zero, nothing. Okay, you're going to use your home mailing address because everybody needs a mailing address. But for one reason or another, a lot of people don't have a mailing address. And a lot of people don't want to use their existing mailing address. And that's where you come in at. And you guys are going to have to excuse all the noise behind me. That's the traffic because I'm on my walk. So I try to speak up a little bit so that you all can hear me as well as hear all this traffic out here. But anyway, back to the point. I'm drifting, back to the point. Let's just say I live at 123 Sesame Street. What I can do is actually rent out my address. Yes, accept mail for other people. There's no law that says I can't send my mail to you if you give me permission. Hey, Sally, can I use your mailing address? Yes. I can get as many pieces of mail as I want at my house or my apartment or anywhere else that I am. There's no law against that. And there's no law against me saying, hey, Sally, give me $10 to do this. So what you want to do is step by step, step number one. You have to have an address yourself. That's step number one. So you have your address. You're going to run a Craigslist ad. And in that Craigslist ad, you're going to simply say, mailing address, residential mailing address for rent. $10 a month. That's it. Make it cheap. Cheaper things are, the more people buy. Let's face it, we all like cheap. When someone responds, you want to let them know, oh yes, you can have your mail sent here for $10 a month, and I'll get it to you once a week. So when they send their mail, it's going to say, Mary Jo at 123 Sesame Street, New York, New York, 00055. Now that's just an example. And then the next person that comes along will be John Doe, 123 Sesame Street, New York, New York, 00050. So you're going to wonder, how are you going to separate all these people? So you give everybody a code. So you tell Mary Jo, you address your mail at 123 Sesame Street, and in parentheses, maybe something like Q1. And then the next guy will be Q2 and Q3. And that's how you'll keep it separated. So you get 10 people at $10, you got $100 a month. And yes, that's not a lot of money, but guess what? It's $10 you don't have right now. It's $100 you don't have right now. I don't care how much money you have. It's $10 more, or it's $100 more than you have right now. And in the course of a year, that's $1,200 that you don't have right now. So you can choose to save it, you can choose to spend it, or you can choose to build upon it. Now, how do you get the mail to them? So you set aside a day, and since the mail runs Monday through Saturday, I would suggest Saturday. Saturday or Sunday, you can go to the dollar store, and this is after these people have paid you, because a week's worth of mail has to come in before you need to do this. So you've been paid because they're going to pay you up front. So you didn't use any of your money. Like I said at the beginning, you started with zero, nothing, no coins, no bank, nothing. You go to the dollar store and you get the large brown envelopes. And as you have sorted the mail, Q1, Q2, so forth and so on, you put all the mail for Q1 in an envelope, all the mail for Q2 in an envelope. You seal the envelope, and you write their name on the front of the envelope. And now, you don't want to run all over town delivering this mail, nor do you want all these people coming to your house. Sure, they already know you live at 123 Sesame Street, but the reality-ish check of it all is that you really don't want them coming to your house every week. So what are you going to do? You pick a mutual spot. It can be the mall. It could be a coffee shop. Let's just say the mall. You contact everybody, send everybody a text message, or you can make it a routine time and place. You can do it at a FedEx, a Kinko's. You can do it at a Starbucks. You can do it just about anywhere. You get all your envelopes together, and you go, say, to the mall or to the coffee shop, and you have everybody come and simply pick up their mail. There's no money to exchange or anything. Now you say, how do I get paid? Well, when they first sign up for the service, you want to email them a simple form that you're going to make up. So I'm Mary Jo. I've contacted you. I want to do this. You email Mary Jo a simple form as an agreement. Just put something together. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be super formal. It's just something for Mary Jo to sign, to say that she'll be sending her mail to you, and for you to sign to say you'll be accepting it and it's okay for Mary Jo to send her mail to you. Email that, let them sign it, let them email it back. Once you get that in hand, then you can get paid. How do you get paid? You can get paid through PayPal, Zelle, Cash App. There's hundreds of ways you can pick however you want to get paid, but these services are free to start with, so there's no money involved on your behalf. You can start today, right now. That's the reality-ish check. Now, I hope you guys got something out of that. But like I said, if I went too fast, back it up. Feel free to leave me a comment. Ask a question. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that I can. It's all the reality-ish of it. So I'm going to leave that with you guys for today. But I hope you hit that subscribe button, because I have a whole lot more reality-ish check on my list to give you guys. More suggestions about making money and just other life hacks. It's all about the reality of it. So, until next time, I thank God for this opportunity and for this day. And I will see you guys again at your next reality-ish check. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Love ya.